Hey everyone, if you've been wanting to take your language skills to the next level, today's video is for you. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, your go-to for the latest in AI tools and tips. Today we're talking about AI-powered language learning apps like Duolingo Max, iTalki AI, and Lingvist. These tools aren't just about memorizing vocabulary. They help you practice speaking, translate complex texts, and track your progress in real time. Let's dive in. First up is Duolingo Max, an AI-powered version of the popular Duolingo app. What makes Duolingo Max stand out is its ability to give you real-time pronunciation corrections and help you practice speaking in a conversational way. Here's how it works. You're speaking with an AI in real time, just like having a conversation with a native speaker. As you speak, Duolingo Max analyzes your pronunciation and gives instant feedback. For example, if you mispronounce a word, the app will gently correct you, helping you fine-tune your accent. Next, let's talk about iTalki AI. This is a fantastic tool if you want to have conversations in your target language, but without the pressure of talking to a live tutor. iTalki AI acts as your own personal tutor, offering real-time speaking practice, feedback on sentence structure, and even vocabulary suggestions. You can practice speaking with the AI tutor anytime, anywhere. The best part? It doesn't just correct your grammar, it adapts to your learning style and level, helping you progress faster. As you interact with the AI, it tracks your fluency and makes recommendations to focus on areas where you need improvement. This is AI language learning at its best. Lastly, let's talk about Lingvist, another AI-powered tool that's perfect for language learners who want to learn efficiently. Lingvist helps you learn real-world vocabulary and translate complex texts by giving you relevant, personalized lessons. Here's how it works. When you encounter a new word or phrase, Lingvist will give you context-based translations, which helps you learn how to use those words naturally in conversation. Whether you're working with simple sentences or more advanced texts, Lingvist provides instant translations and explanations that make it easy to understand the meaning and structure. Let's talk about tracking progress. One of the best features of these tools is their ability to track your language progress. Whether it's keeping track of your streaks in Duolingo, your vocabulary growth in Lingvist, or your speaking fluency in iTalki AI, you get real-time feedback that helps you stay motivated. Plus, these tools make language learning feel like a game, thanks to gamified learning features, where you earn points, levels, and achievements. So if you're serious about learning a language, don't miss out on these incredible AI tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI language app you're excited to try. Thanks for watching AI Expert Reviews.